Please be respectful, members, to everyone.
Tánaiste, don't ask people to buy that rubbish. You might treat your own Fine Gael backbenchers as idiots, but you won't take the Irish people for fools. Because this has nothing to do. Cancorla, this has nothing. Cancorla, this has nothing to do with the rights of backbench.
I can't hear my ears. Deputy, you might would somebody give me a chance to put the withdrawal question? Please, members, understand. The public are looking in. We are all adults.
Michael Lowry is the man that took Fine Gael from the verge of bankruptcy to a point that there were millions in profits in a manner that has never fully been explained. But Tánaiste, whatever you owe Michael Lowry, you owe more to the Irish people. You owe them the right to have a functioning parliament where the opposition can hold government to account. And what you have attempted to do is usurp the rights of the opposition, and it won't be tolerated. So what I'm asking you, considering all the hyperbole about pairs, you insist on using your majority to ram through the most undemocratic charade, facade, farce that this Dáil has seen. Don't expect that the opposition will just sit back and not use our mandate to...
Tánaiste to respond. Thank you, Deputy. Deputy Carthy, thank you. Deputy Carthy. Deputy Carthy. Deputy Carthy, your time is up. Thank you. Tánaiste. Members, please. Tánaiste, please respond.
I'll do my very best, Corda. Thank you. You talk about the Moriarty Tribunal. I fully accept the findings of the Moriarty Tribunal. My party voted in favour of setting it up. But we don't have to look back 20, 30 years to find issues in relation to fundraising when we look at your party, because we only have to read the Sunday Independent earlier this week. And you asked me, have I ever asked somebody a question? Did you ever ask former councillor in your own constituency, former Sinn Féin councillor Owen Smith, what he meant when he talked about Billy Hampton, the man who left you the rural cottage? You remember 99,000 for the derelict cottage, the reclusive English millionaire, when your former councillor in your constituency said the money bequeathed to Sinn Féin by Hampton was a lot sweeter than the Northern Bank robbery money. When you put it in context, it's a lot sweeter than something like the Northern Bank. It was legit, it was straightforward, and it was handled properly. There was no comeback. I'm being shouted down in this democratic parliament by people who are engaging in puggery.
I know you don't, Deputy Carthy. Tánaiste to continue, please.
Yeah, I'm being shouted down. I know you're a bit sensitive this week because you must be the first Justice spokesperson to ever stand by the graveside of somebody who was involved in the murder of an Irish soldier and a recruit murder of a Garda Síochána, someone you call a patriot. Shame on you.
Time is up. Thanks, Tánaiste. Thanks, Can I just say that whilst you may not get an answer to the question in the same way that if I ask a deputy to withdraw a remark and they don't, I can only ask. Now I'm moving on to Deputy Gary Gannon of the Social Democrats.